What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Lovely Latrice, and I'm back again. I'm back again with another video for y'all. Oh, just saying. This video is beginner friendly. Like everybody, anybody could do it. You, your mama, okay, your sister, anybody could do it. Your grandma, okay, she could do it too because it's very easy. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all give me a thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell so y'all can get all the notifications. Okay? And if you're new here, enjoy the ride. Enjoy the video because it's going. But yeah, like let's get into this video. I already started off by going ahead and doing my eyebrows, okay? And I'm actually going to use this makeup that I got from Influenster, not Influensters, but I got this makeup from them, and this will be my first time trying it, and this is Sleek Makeup. I got the case all dirty. This case is really sleek. This whole packaging was really sleek. I got this from them, and if you don't know about Influencers, they are a company that you can sign up for, and the only thing that you have to do is do reviews on different makeups, and they'll send you free boxes. This is my first free box. Boom. And I'm gonna do just a natural look today, just to do a review on. Okay, let me turn it around. Just to do a review on Sleek Makeup. They sent me a eyeshadow kit, and these are the colors in it. They're very pretty. It comes with a mirror. These are the colors, really pretty. And then also, please don't mind the beeping in the background. They sent me a Fierce felt tip liner, and this is by Sleek Makeup as well. And then they sent me, look at this, y'all. This is so cute. Like, this is really cute. I love this. This is really sleek. This is a highlighter kit. And I believe it's cream highlight. Well, these two, yeah, that's cream. This is a powder, but these are the colors that come in there. Very pretty. I'm excited to use all of this. Shout out to Influencers, shout out to Sleek Makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this look, okay? You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. Into the palette again, and I'm gonna take this color next and just place it right under my transition color, right into my crease. To go for, I'm gonna go into this child. I'm gonna go into this Eco Tool brush, and this is Define Crease brush. Girl, get it together. I'm gonna use that brush instead. I don't know exactly how I feel about the palette yet. I'm not a fan of most of the colors being glitter. But but that's okay. We'll work with it. I'm gonna use my Morphe M53 brush, and I'm gonna take this. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna take this color right here, this black, and I'm just gonna define my crease with that. Just to kind of, maybe, I'll put it on the corner here. Okay, that's a tad bit pigmented. I'm glad I didn't go into my crease with that, because I would have been highly upset. Because that's like, they got colors in here where it's like, okay, that's not like super pigmented. And then they have colors in here that's like, okay, fooled ya. This white here, let's see how that turns out. And we're just gonna act as if we're doing a cut crease, but not really. That's, wow. Okay, sleek makeup. Now this brush is kind of wet, so. Okay, I see y'all. Okay, that we're done with this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. Okay, this is the look that I did. Like, how cute. Here's another one. And this was inspired by Aaliyah J. So please, like, go follow my Instagram. And that is one lovely Latrice. Okay. I'm actually going to just put this on the back of my hand. This is spraying out really weird. Put this in there too. I like using a foundation brush. I really do. Because it just does better for me. May not do for other people, but y'all know this. Y'all ain't new to this, and if you are, that's okay. You just get hit. These two colors, I found out that they just give me my perfect, like, for real, like, I've been saying it in a lot of videos, but this gives me my perfect shade. Creaseless concealer, and this is in the shade Tan, and I just applied this to my under eye, just so my under eye could be like a little bit more brighter. Just my under eye only. So I mixed two concealers under my eyes, and then just the regular for the rest. Now that we're done with that, you know what we're going into. We're going to use the Beige Satin Powder, and this is in the shade, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, so please forgive me if I'm not. But we're going to go ahead and set the under eyes, make sure that there is no creases before you set it. So if you have to go back in and just don't blend too much, because then you're going to blend your concealer right off, and you don't want to do that. So, and this is how much I have on my sponge, and that should be enough for your under eye. Now you press it in a little bit, and then the rest you just leave. You see how it's like not pushed in. Is that the right word? You see how it's not, yeah, we're just gonna say pushed in all the way. I don't even know if that's the correct word, but I'm going into my Tarte palette, and this is I think this is, I don't know, but this is my, like, one of my favorites. I just absolutely love it. As you can see, it's like, stuff is falling out everywhere. But I love this. This is like one of my favorite, like as far as in like contour. I want a deep contour. And this is like just for bronze. So this is what I'm gonna use first. I'm not gonna cream contour today because I don't feel like it. And plus we're just kind of doing like something that you could do on an everyday basis. Like this is just like really easy. So I'm going into this, this lighter brown here. And I'm just gonna take my Equal Tool brush, and this is a full blush brush. And we're just gonna take that just to warm up the face. You see how it's changing? Oh yeah. You see that? Compared to this side. This side compared to this side. It's a total difference. And go into that black. And just sweep that right under there. Now, we're going to use the exact same brush that we use to contour. It already has some product left on it, so you don't need to add any more. I'm doing this because you don't necessarily want this white to be here. So mixing it with another shade that's like your shade, it just evens the color out. So I'll show you. I'm gonna wipe this off. As I'm wiping, I'm using circular motions because you want everything to blend. Look at the difference. Good. Do y'all remember when people used to line their lips and they used to be like, like just black? And they would put red lipstick on, but it would just be black. It would be no blending whatsoever. I'm gonna put this CoverGirl lipstick on. This is in a shade 280, and it's called Descendant Peach. This will be my first color that I'm gonna lay on. That's my first color. I'm going in with this LA color. You could get this at like Family Dollar. This is liquid matte color, and this is in the color Sultry. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. And then I have another color. It's like a nude lipstick. Wow. This is by, I don't know who this is by, actually. Maybelline. This is by Maybelline. This is in the shade Purely Nude 526. I think that's the name. Girl. And then we're going to finish off with this. This is by Maybelline as well, and this is the electric shade in the shade 145. As I'm swatching it, it's not really coming out as anything but shimmer. These are really hard. Okay, I'll try this one. Oh, okay. Not too bad. Under my brow bone. It's not too bad, but now that that is all together, y'all all know, all y'all know that I like to I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes off camera. I don't like that that's giving me like an ashy look, but that's okay. So it's all a review. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes off camera in my wig, and I will be back. So this is the completed look with the wig on. I made this wig, like I said, I got this hair from this girl named Krista. Her web address will be down in the description below, and yes, this is like pretty much everything. I literally colored this myself. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I made this wig, comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I love y'all, like I really do. I'm trying my hardest to stay consistent, to keep the videos coming so that you guys can stay updated with everything. But I love you guys. I actually like this look. Okay. Ooh. But yeah, this is the video, and I really enjoyed doing it for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.